The mean of these numbers is 10. Okay, easy. Wait, mean? Like the number thing? So, unkind the number, and what do you mean? 3 different words?
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to SOMC Studio.
Welcome back. We're so happy you're here today.
Today, we have a really fun topic. It's a small word, but it's a tricky word.
Give us a hint.
Okay, listen to this. Don't be mean. What do you mean? The mean score was 80.
Wait, that's the same word 3 times. Mean, mean, mean.
Yes, today's word is mean. And here's the surprise. It has 3 different meanings.
3? Really?
Really? And they are not even related. They came from 3 totally different words a long, long time ago. They just look the same today.
Okay, that is so interesting. I need to know this.
Don't worry, we will explain everything slowly and clearly with easy examples.
Perfect. Before we start, quick reminder. If this video helps you, please like it and subscribe to SOMC Studio. It really helps us make more videos for you.
Yes, just 1 click. Thank you so much.
Okay, David, let's start with meaning number 1.
The first meaning of mean is an adjective. It means unkind, not nice.
Give us an example.
Okay, he was mean to his little brother.
So that means he was not nice to his brother?
Exactly. Mean equals unkind. Mean equals not nice.
Let's say it together. Mean equals unkind.
Good. One more example. Imagine you are at school. A classmate laughs at your drawing.
Oh, that's not nice.
Right. You can say, "That's so mean."
That's so mean. I like that phrase. Very useful.
Very useful, yes. Here's another one. Don't be mean to animals.
Be kind to animals, not mean to animals.
Exactly. Kind and mean are opposites.
Kind, mean, opposites. Got it.
Let's practice. Alice, I'll say a sentence. You tell me, is this person mean or kind?
Okay, I'm ready.
She shared her lunch with a hungry classmate.
That's kind, very kind.
Correct. Next one. He laughed at his friend's mistake in front of everyone.
That's mean, not nice at all.
Perfect. You got it. So remember, friends, mean as an adjective means unkind, not nice.
Let's repeat it one more time, slowly. Mean equals unkind.
Great job. Now let's move to the second meaning. This one is a little different. The second meaning of mean is a verb. It means to intend or to have a meaning.
Oh, like when we say, "What do you mean?"
Exactly. What do you mean is one of the most common questions in English.
I use that question every day. When I don't understand something, I ask, "What do you mean?"
Perfect example. It means, what are you trying to say? Or please explain.
Let's practice this question together. Repeat after us. What do you mean?
Good. Now here's another example. Imagine your friend says something confusing.
Like, the weather is doing a thing today.
Okay, that is confusing. You can ask, what do you mean?
And maybe they explain, I mean, it's going to rain later.
Yes, I mean. That's another useful phrase. We use it to explain more or to correct ourselves.
Give us an example, David.
Sure. I'll see you at 7. I mean, 7:30.
Oh, so you're fixing what you said.
Exactly. I mean helps us explain or correct.
There's also
I mean it, right?
Good one. I mean it is different. It means I am serious. This is true.
Example, please.
I love this song. I mean it.
So you really, really love it.
Yes, 100%.
Let's do a quick practice. I'll say a sentence with mean. You tell me, does it mean unkind, or does it mean to explain or to intend?
Okay, go ahead.
I mean, let's meet at the park instead.
That's to explain. She's explaining a new idea.
Correct. Next one. He said something really mean about my cooking.
That's unkind. Poor cooking, poor feelings.
Exactly right. Great job, everyone, practicing with us.
So now we know two meanings. Mean can be unkind, and mean can be to intend or to explain.
And there's one more meaning. The third one is a little different. It's a number.
Yes, the third meaning of mean is a noun. In math, mean means average.
Average? Like in school? Test scores?
Exactly. Let's do simple math together. Don't worry, it's easy.
Okay, I'm ready. No scary math, please.
No scary math, I promise. Imagine you have 3 test scores, 80, 90, and 100.
Okay.
Then we add them together. 80 plus 90 plus 100 equals 270.
270. Okay.
Then we divide by 3 because we have 3 scores. 270 divided by 3 equals 90.
So the mean is 90.
Exactly. 90 is the mean or the average of those 3 scores.
That's not scary at all. Add the numbers, then divide.
Simple, right? Here's a real-life example. The mean temperature in July was 30 degrees.
So that's the average temperature for the whole month.
Exactly. Or the mean age in the class was 25.
Average age, 25. Got it.
Let's practice one more time. If your friend says, "What's the mean price of coffee here?" what are they asking?
They're asking for the average price of coffee.
Perfect. You're really getting this.
So now we have 3 meanings. Mean equals unkind, mean equals to intend or explain, and mean equals average.
Wonderful. Now here's the really interesting part.
Wait, there's more?
Yes, here's something surprising. These 3 meanings are not actually the same word.
What do you mean? See, I used the phrase.
Perfect timing. I mean this. A long time ago, in Old English, there were 3 separate words. One meant common or shared, and it became our unkind mean. Another meant to tell or to intend, and it became our explain mean. And the third came from Latin, through French, and it meant middle, like in the word median. That one became our average mean.
So they just happened to end up looking the same? Same spelling, same sound?
Exactly. Same spelling today, but 3 completely different histories. Isn't that interesting?
That is so interesting. I always thought it was just one word with different uses.
A lot of learners think that, but no, mean is really 3 unrelated words wearing the same clothes.
3 words wearing the same clothes. I like that.
And guess what? English has more words like this.
Oh no, more tricky words?
Don't worry, we'll save those for another day. Words like bank, lie, left, ear, pen, and match all have this same surprise. Different histories, same spelling today.
Interesting. We'll talk about those in a future episode.
Yes, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it.
The reminder. Okay, let's review everything we learned today.
Let's go through our key phrases one more time, nice and slow.
First, that's so mean. This means That's unkind.
That's so mean.
Second, what do you mean? This means, please explain.
What do you mean?
Third, I mean it. This means I am serious.
I mean it.
And fourth, the mean score was 90. This means the average score was 90.
The mean score was 90.
Great! Now you know 3 meanings of one small word.
And you know they are actually 3 different words in disguise.
This was such a fun lesson today.
It really was. Thank you for learning with us.
Before you go, we have a question for you. Tell us in the comments, has a word in your language ever confused you like this? One word, many different meanings.
We'd love to read your stories. Write them below in the comments.
And if you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to Some C Studio for more easy English lessons.
See you in the next video.
Bye everyone, take care.